Okay, everybody, so phase one is complete. I've gone through with the leaf blower and blown the dust out and also swept out. It was amazing how much dust landed from here and here. The floor, I should have taken a picture. The floor was covered in just a layer of dust because of the airflow. And so the next phase is going to be bleach. And so the gas-powered pressure washer is broken. Fortunately, I always have redundancies. Some would say a little too much, but here's the boneyard. All of this stuff came out of the shop. And so this pressure washer is broken. And if I had all my tools here, I could have replaced a brass fitting and make it go. But fortunately, I always keep a backup. Got this handy-dandy electric pressure washer. And it's not as strong, but it works. And so on this one, you set it on low pressure. As long as it's on low pressure, the bleach will feed through the hose and it's added to the line. When you switch it to high pressure, it will no longer feed the bleach or detergent. I use just bleach because that kills the mold and mildew. And so we'll be basically going through and doing a layer of bleach at low pressure, bleach water everywhere, and that'll get rid of the musty mold and mildew smell and kill any of the spores. And then once we go all the way through, then we'll put it on high pressure and pressure wash the bleach off, because if you leave the bleach on too long, it'll start to degrade the wood and actually can help to destroy a building. So you have to be cautious with that. You don't want to just put the bleach on and leave it. It'll basically, the nature of the chemistry will cause the wood to break down. So, but this, removing all the insulation, anything that would get wet and stay wet, and we've got 80 degrees expected tomorrow. It's supposed to rain today, but it's already 75, so this is perfect. It's nice and hot in here, so the wood is already warm, and when I put the bleach on, that heat will help bake the bleach in, and then we go and blow with the water to rinse the bleach out. Then we will keep the fans going, and then tomorrow, if we need to, we'll run some heaters as well. But it's supposed to hit 80 degrees tomorrow, so this will be like a steam house in here, and that will get everything clean and sanitized. So phase one was the leaf blower. That's done. Phase two is bleach. So that's up next. Thanks for checking in. Talk to you soon.